Hello friends and potential friends. There's a little bit going on in the lab today, so I figured I'd start out in here. Here's my Praxis cherry tomato plant. As you can see, it's got little tomatoes all over it, and a few of them that are starting to get ripe. Here's another one that's going to be contributing some more seeds. That'll go in the house in a moment. Still got my catnip trying to produce seed, and I'm trying to figure out how best to save them. Haven't ever saved catnip seeds before. And I've got a few peppers still in yogurt cups. These are a variety of habaneros. I think there's orange and yellow in there. And then over here I've got a bunch of red habaneros. Those will be going outside to the hotbed before too long. But the main reason I came in here is, well, that Tater Tower taught me something. It taught me that I need to work on my patience a little bit more. So, what better way for a gardener to learn patience than to grow asparagus from seed? What you see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 9 asparagus seedlings. And they're kind of cute. Some of them are actually trying to grow asparagus. But I know that this is a long-term project. If this can't teach me patience, nothing will. I've shown you the raised bed where I'm going to be planting these things. You haven't seen the latest additions to it, but these are going to be going outside pretty soon, and they're going to teach me patience. Either that or I won't have asparagus to eat. But that's the point of today's video. Get these guys out in the ground. Hopefully the rains will cooperate with me so I can get them planted and get that bed set up. Meanwhile, I'm going to take this little cherry tomato in the house before I eat it, is my inclination, so I can get some more seeds out of it. Then I'll eat it. But I'll be back when there's something more to look at. Got the asparagus seedlings planted. Put a bit of that woven wire around it to hopefully keep the critters out. I may have to go around bottom a couple of feet with some chicken wire to keep the cats out. They'll go right through them squares. But asparagus is planted, protected, and all that's left now is to wait. Here's where the patience comes in. Shouldn't be more than about 3 to 4 years, and I'll be eating asparagus. Come on, grow. You can do it. Okay, you get the point. Enough for now. I'll see you on the next video.